Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make really nice tropical garden, and I'm making mine in the front yard. The first thing what I did, I used a white spray paint to make a line of my future tropical garden. Then, instead of digging a trench for the plastic edge, I am, as you can see, just making a hole that is enough to stick the plastic edge inside. So it saves time for me and I can install the plastic edge very fast. I use a rubber hammer to drive it into the ground. I use a hacksaw when I need to make a cut. I use metal stakes and drive them into the edging every 4 feet. Because I have pipes where I need to install the edging, I cut some of it to install the edging. As a landscape fabric, I use an expensive one made by Scots. I install the landscape fabric directly on the grass and weeds. I had a lot of nails and screws after removing all gutters, and I decided to use them to hold fabric in place. Right now I'm cutting the edging and driving nails and screws into the plastic. I just installed landscape fabric, and now everything is ready for planting plants. I had some banana trees. Also, I got 3 big saga palms about 5 years old each, and I purchased 3 white birds of paradise. Just finished planting in this corner. I purchased more plants today, but this time I got more colorful ones. I have some hostas, tricolor plant, more hostas. I got also orange bird of paradise and some elephant ears. Now I'm planting white ginger. We had a few really hot days, and unfortunately 2 elephant ears are not doing well at this moment, and this is why I built some sheds that will give them some shade. I've been watering them couple times a day. I just got about 30 bags of this brown mulch. Now it is time to spread it. I decided to make some changes in the tropical garden. As you probably noticed, I removed the tricolor plant, and right now the main change is I'm planting philodendron on the place where I had tricolor plant before. Because philodendron is getting big pretty fast, I think this spot will be a really nice one for it, because it will have much more space to grow. If you want to see an update about our tropical garden, please let me know in the comment section below, and if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.